Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake bars. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F, press crust into a 9x13 pan, and prepare the cheesecake filling. Measure sugar and eggs precisely, then beat cream cheese until silky. Fold in sour cream and vanilla gently to avoid overmixing. Spread filling evenly and bake until center jiggles slightly. Cool fully, chill for best slicing, and cut into bars before serving. Start by combining 2 cups graham crumbs with 6 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons sugar, then press into a 9x13 pan firmly. Blind bake the crust for about 8 minutes to set and avoid a soggy base. Let the crust cool slightly before adding the filling so it won't mix. This step gives crisp edges and a stable surface for silky cheesecake bars that slice cleanly when chilled. Beat 24 Oz cream cheese with 1 cup sugar until completely smooth, scraping the bowl often. Add 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing gently, then fold in 1 cup sour cream and 1 tsp vanilla. Pour over the prepared crust and smooth the top. Bake at 325 degrees F until the center jiggles slightly, then cool on a rack. Chill the bars for at least 4 hours for clean slices and the best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.